Ndekro jiskuru jigochiko iguru mwako goja anena sumutinyu mutangani ni gobono abaiboli na bonchiroli abanyarire bawo kwanda iguru ari bakageridara chikoba makongu asu mwako goja nene asu kure bitabu nemero 2 jiskuru anekro bagote abuna okorusiwa kwebango iguru aze kubatkana serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nerire ebinte bigochiko ngomori kwetudolikas kema na mangi
ngaki chiskuru chikageira gocha koigora chitariki 8 omontinyo mutangani omwako gocha nigo abaibori bagenderete kweroberia ase okweneki abana babo banyorire ebintu biribiganeire rikwirana ase chiskuru kitatseni kya Ndizi TV gotalera ase chinsemo awimeyo muchobasongo nigo abaibori abonchereria bechi uniform amo nebitabu imeyo muchobasongo bemurunganeire igoro yo komentakana kwa magori binto ase chiduka
omwako ebiasara babere boko ebikongwake ekegera bonekoro kana abana inchi mbabwati bese cost of living ya chire igoro ona abana inchi bakorera ngamba bwati bese, so we have been really affected with the cost of living koenda igoro shilingi yake nere yabera a bit weak $1 ya.
My name is Fayaz Khan. I'm the manager of Himani Traders and Distributors Kisii branch, and concerning our business mainly is stationery and textbooks. We deal with parents and schools, and this year we have experienced some challenges in procurement and credit issues from our suppliers, unlike previous years and all.
Samarita angoro kufini sembe mose yano mwebuli naja kabureta oyo no mwakore izo mwako yore tawuti ibinte bimwe ndata kodi no mwakongire ibinte bikongeta indoto akagorere bitabona bana to akagorere 850 sai 962 awurire bitaro
sensemo yechi uniform ni go batemna niga magori arachikomenta kubwa omwaka weta asekerini go mwako yoiga otwara emechando monene anene aso komentakana kwa maguta okukweirire okomentakana kwa mogori yebinto ase chichiro
shati chiamente legal yake, which means mna taxes chiko kina na into effect yekwenda to the consumer who is the customer. So even though the government last year is not the same way to no mwako ekegara bono amagori atire laki
because chi uniform nara magori ngo jete ko gora takanyara magori na mende uniform ko akagorire 1500 bone gan 2000 to agorete
utara goika ase eduka yokonia ebitabu nigo bono bemurunganire igoro ya serikali utabwatuka chibesa aso bwangogo cha chiskuru idokwene kinga batenene dibe chiskuru babangire wekeranu ase okora kwe bitabu.
Also, our appeal to the government is that, since we supply to schools on credit, our appeal to the government is that let the ministry be disbursing the funds to the schools timely, so that the schools are able to pay us also. So also we sustain ourselves, and we also keep up with paying our supplies in due time also.
Asibono baganire serikali gokyania ebango eriokorigereria omwananchi uyogendete gutwara omochando obwoko ene kyamagori ari igoro
aketo sabe serikali ipunguse gintamagori bintu byachire igoro mono
serikali ito serikali ya William Ruto ebwenete ko manyanga woniga the cost of living nera a bit high to the normal common mwananchi. We're going to reduce the taxes imposed on some items like the oil products, the petrol, diesel, even kerosene.
Abonchereria nigo babate okwege na abuna ebiasara byabo imbichi ko imukirera igoro nonya ebinto bikongete.
But you're expecting one mna chiskuru chiko go back to school season ego kobaiga tukango torenga basi will there be a change, but the week yigamna to already avera there's a small change. We are hoping that nega andre go to the new year.
Otherwise, we are hopeful, and we are praying that this season goes well for us again. We have started on a slow note, but we are hoping that maybe from 1st of January, 2nd of January, we'll pick up on the back to school. With the velocity that we've been doing in the previous years. God willing.
Ndizi TV, Dorcas Kemoma.